Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best handpiece is probably one of the most crucial components for any nail technician or enthusiast. As the primary tool for shaping, filing, and removing gel or acrylic nails, a high-quality handpiece can significantly enhance the efficiency and precision of your work. In this video, we'll dive into the world of nail drill handpieces, exploring what makes a great one and how to choose the perfect replacement to keep your nail game strong. Number 5. 30,000 RPM Electric Nail Drill Pen. This is a professional-grade nail drill handpiece. It's designed for manicure and pedicure, offering smooth and low-noise operation. The strong motor ensures steady vibration. This pen is perfect for a comfortable and quiet experience. It's easy to change drill bits. This tool is designed for polishing, removing calluses, engraving, grinding, and more. Made of high-quality metal and ABS, this handpiece is built to last. It is suitable for DC connector nail drill machines. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. You can use it at home, in a salon, or while traveling. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to hold. This design makes it easy to operate for both professionals and beginners. What we like. This nail drill pen boasts smooth operation and low noise, ensuring a comfortable experience. It's also designed for multiple uses, from polishing to engraving. If you're looking for a versatile and portable tool for both home and travel, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This is a great replacement for the handpiece. They are lightweight, stylish and very durable. Worked perfect. Had to replace my cord on my rechargeable nail drill and this fit and worked perfectly. Number 4. Nail Drill Pen Replacement Handle, 35,000 RPM. Introducing the replacement handle for your electric nail drill. This handle offers adjustable speed up to 30,000 RPM, perfect for both delicate work and removing calluses. It's designed for versatility in all your nail care needs. Experience a quiet and smooth operation with minimal vibration. This handle ensures safer and more efficient use, with excellent heat dissipation. Its high-quality structure guarantees comfortable and long-lasting use. Crafted from high-quality materials, this pen-designed handle is built to last. It fits most nail drill machines, providing a comfortable grip and ease of use. You can easily change drill bits without any extra tools. This nail drill handle is incredibly easy to operate, making it ideal for beginners. The ergonomic design provides comfort during use, making it suitable for both salon professionals and home users. It's the perfect addition to your nail care kit. This handpiece is a professional-grade tool designed for optimal performance. It's perfect for shaping, polishing, and removing calluses. It delivers the precision and control you need for flawless results. What we like. This replacement handle offers adjustable speed and quiet, smooth operation for precise work. Its universal size makes it compatible with most nail drill machines. If you are a beginner or professional looking for a reliable and easy-to-use handpiece, it is the ideal choice. What people say. Komodo, es manuable y no pesa, potencia de motor para el uso que lo corresponde, muy bueno. I love how light it is, very good. Se ve de buena calidad, no lo he probado pero me imagino que funciona bien. Number 3. GOGO TP283 Nail Drill Handpiece. This nail drill is CE certified, ensuring safety and quality. It features adjustable speed from 0 to 30,000 RPM and supports forward and reverse directions, providing a fast and effective nail art experience. The aluminum handpiece effectively dissipates heat, extending its lifespan. High-quality components and a well-designed internal structure ensure durability and reliability. This professional-quality handpiece operates quietly with minimal vibration. The chuck handle locks and unlocks for added safety and operational efficiency. Please pay attention to the operation. It comes with a 12-month warranty and a 30-day free return or replacement for quality issues. Contact us if you have any questions, and the after-sale team will reply quickly. This handpiece requires a portable charger to operate. Make sure you have a compatible charger before use. What we like. This handpiece features CE certification and efficient heat dissipation for safe and long-lasting use. The design ensures quiet and smooth operation with minimal vibration. If you value safety and efficiency in your nail art, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This drill is high quality compared to others on here. Very sturdy, quiet and smooth. It is perfect. Number 2. HOINVO Nail Drill Handpiece Replacement. This handpiece is specifically designed for Subi, ALLES, HOINVO, and Jiaxing professional nail drill machines. It's a perfect replacement part to keep your machine running smoothly. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this handpiece offers a professional 20,000 RPM. It features a DC connector for easy and reliable use. Whether you're a professional or enjoy doing nails at home, this handpiece is perfect. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle. Please ensure you have a compatible nail drill machine from Subi, ALLES, HOINVO, or Jiaxing before purchasing. This handpiece is designed to work with those specific models. We are here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. Remember, this product is a handpiece and requires a nail drill machine to operate. It cannot be used on its own. What we like. This handpiece is a professional replacement part designed for specific nail drill machines. It offers a 20,000 RPM speed, suitable for both salon and home use. If you already own a compatible machine and need a reliable replacement, it is the perfect solution. What people say. Barrel is small enough and comfortable for my little hands, and even with scratches the color still holds up well. It is durable enough and fits into lots of bases that we are now using it in a warehouse to clean metal tools. This model felt more sturdy from the start. I've had it for a few months and held off on this review until I had used it several times to see how it would hold up. So far so good. This is different in how it receives the bits. You just push them in and pull them out without adjusting the head. I love it. It works great. Number 1. Electric Nail Drill Pen Handpiece. This handpiece is designed for various nail art needs. It's perfect for removing gel polish, dead skin, and polishing nails. It's suitable for both salon professionals and home users. The handle features a secure locking mechanism for safe use. Replacing the drill bits is tool-free and simple. This makes the process quick and convenient. This handpiece is a perfect accessory for your nail drill machine. It works on both natural and artificial nails. It's ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional salon use. Made from aluminum alloy, this pen-style handpiece offers excellent heat dissipation and durability. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for extended use without fatigue. With a maximum speed of 35,000 RPM, the speed is fully adjustable. It offers both forward and reverse rotation, allowing for effective polish removal and nail polishing without damaging the natural nail. What we like. This electric nail drill pen is designed for various nail art needs, from manicure removal to polishing. It is easy to operate with a comfortable grip and a simple drill bit replacement. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile tool for both natural and artificial nails, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Bueno. Unfortunately had to return it because of different plug design from mine. Doesn't work for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.